I've done my Bachelor's of Engineering, Computer Science Engineering from Cambridge Institute of Technology, North Campus, Bangalore. And recently I got placed in a company, Techno Tree, with a package of 5 LPA. There were 4 rounds in that interview. Like first was technical round, second was technical plus manager, and third was also technical plus manager. And the fourth round was HR round. And I would like to tell you that my faculties who taught me are like Java was taught by and SQL was taught by Uma Shankar sir, React was taught by Nandita ma'am, and web technology was taught by Pooja ma'am. And I would like to tell you that the knowledge I gained in this institute was like way helpful for me. Like I can say that I couldn't be able to crack this interview without their help. And I would like to thank Priya ma'am for adding me in these requirements and helping me to like continuously adding me in requirements like whether I'm suitable for that or not, like giving me a chance. Thank you.